How to use PhantomBuster. So this is an automation and data extraction platform that pretty much helps your business or businesses in general for marketers and collect information from websites and social media. So without manual effort. With that, it can automatically scrape some data, send no connection requests, follow profiles, and extract leads from platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and much more, making outreach and research faster and more efficient. So if you want to go ahead and start using, you can start with a free trial to see if it's worth it for you, since it is just a subscription that you can get. You can press on start free trial over here and put in your information like your email and then your password so that you can start your 14-day free trial. But even if you don't get a trial, you will be able to see the features directly in the website, like the outbound workflows, lead prioritization, and even integrations. And finally, resources that should just help you learn how to use those specific features. So with that, you can go ahead and enter your dashboard once you pretty much log in. You can choose a Phantom, which is a pre-built automation script that fits your task, such as LinkedIn lead extraction or even Instagram profile scrapping. So configure the Phantom by connecting your account, setting target URLs, and scheduling how often it runs. Once activated, the Phantom will perform the task automatically, and you can download or export the collected data for lead generation, marketing campaigns, or research purposes. But that's pretty much the general idea of how PhantomBuster works. If you want to go ahead and explore, it's all directly available in their website. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.